Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to sketch a quadratic graph, marking on the x and y intercepts. So these are the places where the curve crosses the x and y axis. So the first example is to sketch y equals x squared plus 2x minus 15, marking the x and y intercepts. Okay, so first of all let's work out where it crosses the y axis. So to do this you need to sub in x equals 0 into the equation. So it would be y equals 0 squared plus 2 times nothing, take away 15. So this will give us an answer of minus 15. So it crosses the y-axis at 0, minus 15. So we now need to find the x-intercepts. So to do this we need to sub in y equals 0. So we need to make the whole equation equal to 0. So to solve this equation you need to factorise it or use the quadratic formula. So I think this one will factorise. So it needs to multiply to give us minus 15, add to give us plus 2. So the numbers we're looking for are plus 5 and minus 3. Okay, so our solutions then would be making these two brackets equal to 0. So that will give us x equals minus 5 and x equals 3. So these are the two places where the graph crosses the x-axis. So we can now sketch out our graph. So it's crossing the y-intercept at 0, minus 15. Okay, and it was crossing the x-axis at minus 5 and plus 3. And a quadratic graph is a U-shaped curve. So it'd be something like that. So let's have a look at the second example then. So we're going to sketch the graph y equals minus x squared minus 5x plus 14, marking the x and y intercepts again. So again, to find the y-axis intercept, we need to sub in x equals 0. So it'd be y equals minus 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 14. So that is coming out as 14. So it's crossing the y-axis at 0, 14. So to find out where it crosses the x-axis we need to make this equal to 0. So let's times it all by minus 1 before we factorise it. So we get a positive x squared term. So it must multiply to give us minus 14, add to give us plus 5. So the two numbers would be plus 7 and minus 2. So if we get our two solutions by making these two brackets equal to 0, so it crosses the x-axis at minus 7 and it also crosses at plus 2. So we now need to sketch our graph out again. And our y-intercept was 0, 14. So this time it's up the other way, the graph. Okay, so it's an upside down U shape. So it's looking like it's doing something like this. Okay, so that is how you sketch a quadratic graph. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.